Quick, what are we looking for? Go, go, go. Yes, we are looking for the width. I know I'm definitely giving some folks test anxiety because I'm putting you under a timer, even for the simplest questions. I totally understand how that heart rate might start racing, but I really want to get you used to that pressure, little bit by little bit. So here we go. We have the width is what we're looking for. Well, what information do we know? Well, I know I'm looking for width, so I'll just write that down right there. Well, let's see what information we're given. So the first thing I'm going to read here is the area of a rectangle is 36 square inches. So right there, I just discovered a hyper-specific geometry word area, and I also discovered the shape that we're dealing with. So look at that. That's two great things already. We're dealing with a rectangle. The area of said rectangle is 36 square inches. And we also see that the length is 9 inches. So L equals 9 inches. Now, if you are recognizing these numbers, there is a reason for that. So with that said, everybody, let's go ahead and understand that, hey, to solve this problem, we need to know the connection between the width, the length, and the area of a rectangle. Everybody, what's that formula or relationship going to be? Give me blank equals blank. Don't take shortcuts. Formula, perfect. It's going to be area equals length times width. Yes, there we go. So area equals length times width. We know this is the correct one that we will use because, again, it's the relationship between a rectangle's width, length, and area. Width, length, and area for a rectangle. Boom. Now we can be confident that we have the right formula. Now let's make sure we plug everything in to the right place. So the area right over here, that's 36 inches. So let's make sure we plug things into the right place. And then the length, we see it right here, 9 inches. So I'll make sure that the length right over here is replaced with 9 inches. And then we have the width right there. And here we go. What operation are we going to perform to both sides to get the width by itself? Perfect. Yeah, we're going to divide. We're going to divide. So with that, everybody, we're going to divide both sides here by that 9. Nice and easy. And so with that, booyah cancels out on the right side. 36 divided by 9. What do we get? Yeah, it's going to be 4 inches. And there we go. Again, remember everybody, lengths and widths and side measurements, they're always going to be just regular units. Perimeter? Yep, regular units. Area, square units. Always, always, always. So our width in this question, in this problem here, 4 inches. And so there we go, everybody.